How to clean my Rolex 11060. You wanna hold the phone? Okay. My son is holding my phone. He's laughing. All you gotta do is get one of this cloth and just wipe it like this. Microfiber. You can laugh. Do the focus. Come on. Yeah, my son is holding the phone.
Me.
Look, it's shiny.
Shining so clean.
Take that off. You should do this once a week, but I don't. Right, Val?
But if it's really dusty, then you should do it, like clean it really well.
Show them the result.
See? Not even a single dirt is on there.
We can do this for a couple seconds.
Or maybe he can do it like like 7 days, which is a week.
What?
To make it super clean. Super duper clean.
Is it clean, Val?
So clean.
I'll put my How's it look?
It's so cool.
Okay. Making that focus. Okay. Perfect. Okay, pause it. Oops.